Morning, Steve Ray in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, happy Friday. As far as the markets are concerned, in the last few minutes we've seen the grains bounce off the overnight lows. Right now we've got November beans up 3 cents and we're over the $10 mark. Dees corn's up 3 cents, we're over the $4 mark. Wheat's unchanged here in Chicago near 5.38. And the Minneapolis futures are up 6 cents, around 7.75. Yesterday, one of the private crop watchers put out their estimates for the 2017, not only U.S. but world crop numbers. And it seemed like they punted into the August numbers, kept the productions for corn and beans here in the United States pretty much unchanged versus the USDA. And they also estimated the spring wheat crop a little bit higher than what most people are thinking given the current weather conditions. So the market kind of settled back a little bit on that news. As far as the weather is concerned, not a lot of changes. We think that over the next, let's say, 7 days, rain will be falling across eastern Iowa, Wisconsin, northern Illinois, most of Indiana, Michigan, and Ohio. Pretty relatively dry in the west. The 6 to 10 day is warm and dry, and the 8 to 14 day is also warm and dry. So we'll see how much this ridge plays in to crop conditions. We've got export sales today. We expect that the wheat's going to be 300,000 to 500,000 tons, corn 350 to 750, and beans 250 to 650. Again, the perception is that in all three, our next year's exports are going to be less than the previous years due to competition, whether it's from the Black Sea, Brazil, or South America in general. We're also watching global demand, especially China beans, and see if they meet the targets. Funds yesterday, buyers of beans and meal, sellers of corn and wheat and soybean oil continue to be short about 54,000 beans, short 60,000 corn, and long about 40,000 tons of wheat. Again, if the weather forecasts are correct, we should start bouncing the market higher on this 2-week forecast. And then if our weather guy is correct and the ridge moves back to the west in August, then we should put a top in the market for the rest of the year. But we'll see what Mother Nature has in store for us. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.